Hey guys, welcome to lesson 47. Let's learn 30 words and 30 questions. So please answer them. Fourth. How would you feel if you finished fourth in a race? Major. Do you have a major favorite subject in school? Majority. Do you think the majority of people like sports? Since. How long has it been since you last traveled? Useless. Is there any advice you consider useless? Achieve, achievement. What is your biggest achievement so far? Blow, blew, blown. How do you stay calm when the wind is blowing strongly? Community. Do you feel close to your community? Demand. Is there something in high demand in your country? Demanding. Do you think studying is demanding? Hair. Have you ever had a major change in your hair? Impress, impression, impressive. Has anyone made a big impression on you recently? Lost. Do you easily get lost when traveling? Spread, spread, spread. What's something you wish would spread around the world? Title. Do you have a favorite book title? Distribute. Distribution. How would you distribute your time if you had extra hours each day? Fish. Do you enjoy eating fish? Horse. Have you ever ridden a horse? Illustrate. Do you like to illustrate your notes with drawings? Mobile or mobile. How often do you use your mobile phone? Person. Who is the most interesting person you know? Sort. Do you like to sort your things at home? Unless. Would you attend a party unless you were really tired? Occur. Occurrence. Have you ever experienced a strange occurrence? Most. Mostly. What activity do you enjoy the most? Help. How do you feel when someone helps you? Cue. Can you give me a cue if I forget something? Have you ever missed an important cue? Bye. Bye-bye. Is it hard for you to say bye to someone you care about? Institution. Do you know any famous institutions in your area? Factory. What products are made in factories in your country? That's all for today. Thank you and see you next time. Bye bye.